Good morning, students. Let's begin today with question number 6. How to measure these angles given in question number 6 by using protractor. This is protractor. Just understand how to use this to measure these angles. Can you see this point? This point and this last line? Yes. And these all points you have to see 10, 20, 30, 40. These all are showing the angles. And here outer one also showing the angles. If the angle is opening in this side, then you will take the inner one, inside numbers. Okay. And if the angle will open in this manner, this side, then you will take the outer numbers. According to the angles, we will take inner or outer. Let's understand. First of all, you have to touch or put this point at the vertex of the angle. This is the vertex, B is the vertex of the angle. You have to put this point there, and this line you can see, horizontal line, should coincide with this horizontal line. Okay, keep your protractor like this. You can see. Now you just see this next line, this ray is pointing towards which number? Here is 20. You can see properly 20. So this angle is of 20 degree. Simple. Let's see another question. This one. So this B point should coincide with this, and this line should meet here. Understand it properly. You can see. Now this line is pointing towards which number? 60. Okay. 120 also, but it is not 120 degree angle because angle is opening in this side. So we will not take the outer one. We will take the inner one, 60 degree. Okay. Now just measure this one also. This is the vertex. This line should coincide with this line. This is 120 degree. So this is 120 degree. Okay. Similarly, rest of the questions you have to do by yourself. Try it. This O and this OB. You can see this angle is pointing towards what? 50 also and 130 degree also. Understand it? See properly. I hope you can see. Yes. This is pointing towards 50 also or 130. But which one you will take? We will take 130 degree because angle is in this side. Okay. This is 1. This is of course not 50 degree. It is not less than 90 degree. It is obtuse angle. Now, this angle you have to find out. This is reflex angle. Okay. But to find out the reflex angle, we need to first find out this angle inside. Okay. First find out its degree. This is pointing towards 50. So this is 50 degree. But you have to find out this angle. So what we will do, we know that angle around a point is equal to 360 degree. Yes. So 360 degree minus this 50 degree, we will get this reflex angle. So you will write like this, 360 minus 50, that is equal to 310 degree. Okay. Similarly, this last question also you can do. Reflex angle. Here also you have to find out. This is 160 degree, pointing towards 160. So this angle is 160 degree. But you have to find out this reflex angle. So what we will do? 360 minus 160, that is equal to 200 degree. So this reflex angle is equal to 200 degree. Got it? Now question number 7 we are going to discuss. Now you can see here I have written all the angle degrees of the angle, and we have to draw these angles by using this protractor. Okay. How? Very simple. Just see A number first, 12 degree. Okay. First of all, we have to draw straight line here. We will draw straight line. Okay, of any length. Now this point should coincide with this point, and this line should lie on here. Look at here. Put it straight properly. Now you have to find out 12 degree. Where is 12 degree? This is 10. After 10 there is 20, but between this you have to count these small lines. So 10, 11, 12. Here. This 12 is coming here. So we are going to join this 2 point. This is 12 degree angle. Similarly, next question is B number 26 degree. Okay, so B number, how you will draw? Same like you have to draw first a straight line, then 26 degree. Okay, this is a point. You have to keep this point on it, and this line should coincide with this line. Okay, like this. Now you put it straight. Now see, where is 26? 20 and 30. Between this 26, this is 25. And just after this, take 1 point only, 26. This point you just point out properly. Okay, now remove this. Join this 2 point. This point and this vertex. Okay, this angle is of 26 degree. Similarly, next question is 166 degree. Very simple it is also. C number. Just see, put the straight line. Suppose this is a straight line. Now you have to keep this here. Same process. 166 you have to find out. 160 is here. And 165 is between this. And after that 1 point only we will take. Means 165 this is, and 166 just beside it. This point you will locate. This is 166. Okay. Now you have to match. Means join this 2 line. This 2 points, sorry. Not line. This point you can keep the name OAB. So angle OAB is equal to 166 degree. Similarly, these angles name also you can keep O, A, B, any name you can write. A, B, C. This is angle ABC, BAC. This is angle AOB. Can you do rest of the question like 324 degree, 90 degree, 324 degree? How you will draw? So 324 degree is a reflex angle because it is more than 180 and less than 360. So first of all find out its angle inside one. So just subtract it. 360 minus 324. That is equal to 36 degree. So first of all we will draw 36 degree. Just see here how to draw 36 degree. This is 30, after this 35, and after this 1 point you take, this is, that is 36. 36 degree first of all we will draw. This is 36 degree, but we have to draw 324 degree. So just reflex angle of 36 degree is equal to what? 324 degree. This outer angle, exterior one. Okay, outer side, that is equal to 324 degree. Now next question is 90 degree. This is your homework, student. You have to draw 90 degree. Same process. This is 90. You have to just point out and make the angle. It will be straight like this. Okay. So next day we will start the new chapter, construction. Till then complete your work properly and complete your practice and mental maths also. Okay, of this chapter.